Action.
Do we need
I'm Oren Gilgason. This is 38 shirts. This is a microwave. Those 38 shirts are about to go into a microwave to break the current record, which is 33 shirts in a microwave.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
disc still in microwave.
8. Disc still in microwave. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now I bet you're thinking it's not gonna all fit. I assure you it will all fit. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. I think there's still some good space in there.
Yeah, we got plenty of room.
31. 32. 33. See, that's the record so far. It's 33. 33 shirts in a microwave. Current record. Breaking record shirt here. 34.
What's on the shirt?
That was Tom's Pizza from DeLand, Florida.
Official sponsor.
Official sponsor. I heart VBS.
35.
These are all my shirts that are left.
Yeah, I've already exhausted all my shirts, which was about 20 something.
World Changers, part of the North American Missions Board.
36.
Also sponsored. Official.
37.
Stellar Cart Christian punk pop band.
Dude, we're probably gonna get like a full official sponsor because like they were getting sponsored this activity.
Alright, one more shirt. Shirt 38. My old FCA shirt from high school.
It's always been done.
Now the rules state the door has to officially close, no excess fabric hanging out the door, all that good jazz.
38 shirts.
Guess it's 37.
In a microwave.
Here we go.
No fabric hanging out of the microwave.
Set it for 3 minutes.
And done.
And done.
Thank you, world.
No, seriously, set it for 3 minutes. Got 50.